guys, Trisha Clark here with Sparkle Farts Paper Crafts, and I wanted to get caught up on Junetober's house at Widow Cove with Lottie's Magic. And so here is my book. I followed her tutorial, absolutely loved it. And then day one, when the pieces return, I've got this pocket and this little journal card with some glossy accents found on the sill. Day two, I did a little envelope pocket with the lantern and a tuck spot, and then this is actually a journaling spot here and here. And then for day three, I did a big pocket between the pages with this tag. I've got a little bit of cheesecloth here and some straw paper. And then on the page, I did a little flap, or flip flap, I guess you call it. And I've got the lantern here with the lantern glass holding that shut. We can open that up. And then we have a journaling card here with the ravens to match the storyline for the day, and a little journaling tuck in there and some hidden journaling space behind. And decided to leave these open for journaling as well. And that will hold that down. And that is it for day three. We've got days 1, 2, and 3 ready to go. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.